right, we're looking at a case that's on in the Supreme Court with the ED raising Arvind Kejriwal's campaign speeches before the Supreme Court. ED says Kejriwal's utterances on the campaign trail is really a slap on the face of the system. ED objecting to statements that have been made by Arvind Kejriwal during the campaigns before the Supreme Court as they place their argument, saying that this is tarnishing the image and the identity of the Enforcement Directorate and the due process of cracking down on corruption. While the ED argues in court, speaking specifically of the statements made by Arvind Kejriwal through his campaign trail, where Kejriwal is heard constantly speaking about the ED being used as a mechanism of the centre to arm twist the opposition, that the ED has no credibility, that these are agencies meant to target the opposition, ED taking serious objection to it, and in Supreme Court slamming Arvind Kejriwal's utterances, saying this is a real slap on the face of the system that exists in the country. In fact, just yesterday, Home Minister Amit Shah in an interview had stated that Arvind Kejriwal says, if you vote for the broom, then I won't have to go back to jail. That's contempt. This is ED saying this is a way and a bid to influence voters, playing out the victim card. In fact, the Supreme Court says we welcome criticism. We will not go into all of this. Our order is very clear on when he has to surrender. Let me quickly cut across to Amit Shah, in fact, who's spoken a little earlier. All right, we have Nalini joining us, who tracks court for India today, to give us a perspective on what the ED arguments are in court. Nalini, please take it away.
Well, Nabila, the Solicitor General on behalf of the Enforcement Directorate has baked up Arvind Kejriwal's speeches that have been made during the campaign, and he's objected to them, calling them a slap on the face of the system. And this is exactly in line with what Amit Shah had stated yesterday in an interview to ANI, where he said Arvind Kejriwal stating that he will not have to go back to jail if the people vote for the Aam Aadmi Party is actually contempt of court. So nothing regarding contempt has been stated by ED in the Supreme Court, but on record objecting to the kind of speeches that Arvind Kejriwal is making. They've also said that he's behaving as if he's been given some sort of a special treatment, and that he's confident about the fact that he will not have to go back to jail on the 2nd of June when the court has specifically asked him to surrender. But the Supreme Court has refused to get into all of the politics related to the case. They've said that our order is very clear. He's not allowed to speak about his role in the case, but the statements that he has made are not specifically regarding his role. They've also said that we've told him exactly when he has to surrender, and the order will have to be complied with. So there is no question of Arvind Kejriwal not surrendering before the court. But at the same time, ED will be putting its objections on the record. It remains to be seen what his lawyer Abhishek Manu Singhvi says in response to this once his arguments begin before the court. But for now, ED has categorically opposed the kind of campaign speeches that are being made by Arvind Kejriwal while he's out on bail before the top court of the country.
All right. So Arvind Kejriwal saying vote for the broom and you'll see what happens. You'll see change, etc. is something that the ED has taken objection to, saying that this is nothing but contempt of court. Then he says, if you do vote for me, basically you vote for the Aam Aadmi Party, and be sure I will not have to go back to jail. This is an attempt to influence the case, as per the ED, saying it's a slap on the system. He's out on bail and he's committing contempt. All right, let me cut across to Home Minister Amit Shah, speaking on this very case a little earlier. Let's listen in. Arvind Kejriwal too, what exactly he said, which is now taken up in the top court.
ये लोग बता रहे हैं कि 20 दिन बाद जेल में वापस जाना है। आप लोगों का जो बटन दबाओगे, वो बटन अगर खूब झाड़ू पे दब गया तो मुझे जेल जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। आपके हाथ में ताकत है।
इंडिया अलायंस में एक नई जान आ गई है जब से केजरीवाल आए हैं। उनका नैरेटिव थोड़ा अग्रेसिव हो गया, क्या ये आप मानते हैं?
अभी तो वो कोई अलग इश्यू में ही फंसे हैं, थोड़ा इनको फ्री हो जाने दीजिए, बाद में देखो क्या होता है।
पर वो जिस इश्यू में फंसे हैं वो राज्यसभा की मेंबर हैं स्वाति जी।
देखिए, मैं इस पर टिप्पणी करना नहीं चाहता। अगर कोई पुलिस को कंप्लेन करता है तो पुलिस उसका संज्ञान देगी। मगर मैं इतना ही कहता हूं कि अभी उनको बेचारे को जिस इश्यू में फंसे इससे निपटारा लाने दीजिए, काहे को ये सब में उलझाती है। देखिए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट को अधिकार है न्याय की व्याख्या करने का,
पर पहली बार हो रहा है कि
मगर मैं मानता हूं कि रूटीन और नॉर्मल प्रकार का जुडिशियल जजमेंट नहीं है। काफी लोग देश में मानते हैं कि स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट दिया गया है।
All right, going back to Nalini on that. Nalini, was the ED the one to take up this matter to the top court? How did this matter come about in the Supreme Court today? And was this that one statement that's been taken objection to, that you vote for the broom, then I won't have to go back to jail?
Well, precisely, Nabila. The plea that has been filed by Arvind Kejriwal challenging his arrest was listed for final hearing before the Supreme Court, which essentially means that the final arguments in the plea have begun. And the court will now eventually, in the due course of the proceedings, decide whether or not Arvind Kejriwal's arrest was legal. So while the Enforcement Directorate was making arguments against Arvind Kejriwal's plea challenging his arrest, is when Solicitor General Tushar Mehta brought up this issue of the kind of speeches that the Delhi Chief Minister is making while he's out on bail. What Tushar Mehta stated is that there are several conditions that have been imposed on him by the Supreme Court, including the fact that he should not talk about his role in the case. But at the same time, Arvind Kejriwal is making the kind of speeches that is disrespectful of the institution. It's like a slap on the face of the system, and that the Supreme Court should take cognizance of this. And keeping this in mind, they've objected to the statements that have been made by Arvind Kejriwal, specifically where he says that if the people of the country vote for the Aam Aadmi Party, then he will not have to go back to jail. In fact, Tushar Mehta has also told the court that there is a video bite of him making this statement, which will be submitted before the Supreme Court, along with the affidavit that the ED is going to file, specifically objecting to this. The Supreme Court has refused to get into this aspect. They've said that our order is very clear and our conditions are very clear. He is not allowed to speak about the role in the case. But what remains to be seen is exactly what the lawyers for Arvind Kejriwal say in defense of this. Thanks.
Right, thanks very much, Nalini, for joining us on that. Supreme Court saying there is no exception for the Chief Minister. Rule of law will prevail. He's been asked to come back on the 21st, and so that will happen. There is no exemption.